Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tenacious Wilson and this is my son Montre. Today we're doing a challenge by Explore with the Wagners. He's nervous. He's very nervous. He doesn't like being on camera, so I'm really surprised he wanted to do this challenge with me. But today we're doing a challenge by Explore with the Wagners. It's called Taco Bell's Mexican Pizza is Back Challenge. And with this challenge, you have to eat the pizza within 3 minutes. So I asked Montre who he thought would win, and he said I would, of course, because I love to eat. But I tell him I think he would win because he has a big mouth. He has a big mouth. So anyway, let's get this challenge started. You're not ready? You gotta put sauce on it. It's a challenge. Well, go ahead. Okay, so Montre is putting sauce on his. I'm not. That's how he messed up the last time. Adding sauce. Remember? Remember when you added that sauce? He added sauce to spicy noodles and he lost the challenge. So I guess he wants to lose again. So, okay, the timer has started.
Mm-mm.
Ew.
Mm-mm. Wow. That wasn't even that would literally wasn't a competition.
1 minute and 42 seconds. Actually, probably was 1 minute and 32, to be honest with you. What you mean it wasn't a competition? How was How wasn't it a competition? And this is how much he has left. See? So I'm done. Explore the Wagners. Thank you so much for creating this challenge. I really enjoyed it. I really want another one. That was really good. I really missed this Mexican pizza. I'm glad they brought it back. What else? Montre needs to step his game up. I guess he was right. I eat a lot. Did you say I eat a lot or I eat too much?
Too much.
I eat too much? Oh, okay. I got the challenge. So thanks again, everybody, for watching. I'll see you on another one.